Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Maitland, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move requires extensive preparation. We are well equipped with the right equipment and vehicles to ensure that we deliver your belongings in excellent condition. Our trucks are of the highest quality, specially designed to handle the rigors of the road. Alongside well-experienced and responsible drivers, these trucks can relocate you to anywhere you wish to go efficiently. We can assure you that there will be no damage to your property, no matter how small it looks. Moving to distances less than 50 miles is a local move. 3 Movers can provide you with the most reliable services you can find in Maitland. We're always sure to remove the burden of moving away from you, leaving you to focus on other things necessary to the move. Let's talk rates. We'll charge $30 to $40 per hour for services, the cheapest you can find around Maitland. And yet this does not mean we'll provide you with substandard service delivery. Ours is of the highest quality. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Maitland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.